How to turn off vanish mode on Instagram. So the first thing that you want to do is to open your Instagram application and click this message icon on the top right corner of your screen. In this page, select a single conversation. Now for reference, this is what it looks like when you are in a conversation that is in vanish mode. And all you have to do to turn off this mode is to swipe up. If you do this lightly, obviously it won't work. What you need to do is grab it from the bottom and pull it all the way to the top. And now, you are now out of the vanish mode. If you want to go back to the vanish mode, just do the same thing. Grab it from the bottom and pull it all the way to the top. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.